Nana Kahebwa Edison was also one of those guys. Today, Conrad and Robert. Conrad na kuteka kai. Conrad Chiraka yasikana kuya yukan kurunji mnoga kufuna. Conrad back pass kwa shangoha Ilan nompira Ilan msinguzi pass kwa hansu yasikana gunaga kurunji mnoga biza kushangoha wasakenya yasikana kufuna is now Ilan msinguzi na cross ningo boxi na ronda msikazo katanga Shakibu tia kufuna kwa shanga mkangotia Robert nompira Robert mkangotia aleta cross ningo boxi kushangoha sande na kusaba kurunji mnoga mamba jaba pira kwa misinga what a chance na ngachuina kuli line sana rita cross on box no Chiraka wasikugura yo kurunji mnoga kwa shangwa Conrad yakufuna John Asimwe no mpira John Asimwe is now Ibanda mama nyavo mpira gwa tanchiro mujya higuru mpira gwa tanchiro mujya higuru kandi it is a free kick ya district ya Ibanda kiri mu cyoke cyo kubanza kandi Enshoga nistambura kurunji mnoga James yabasikona atari kompira pora kwa shanga Javira Kakuru passa line na kushangoha Selemba Joseph Javira no mpira Javira ndakorosa kura hansi wiza kushangoha usikazo gataka mugume no mpira kule hansi pora chana batela wa district ya Ibanda izina Marvin no mpira itakorosa ningwa boxi na rondoha basikona kutapinga kwa sikona kurika kurunji mnoga usikazo gataka nga Johnson atapass kura hansi kwa shanga Conrad atapassa hansi kushangoha Robert Mkongotia pass Iran na yo mpira muringwa na ronda Sande William Bago heading kwa sikona shanga Javira Kakuru Javira for Ibanda passa line na ronda Salemba Joseph Mshamba timeje na neki Joseph Salemba pira kutomero kandi kujya heru final neza kubera throw ya Ibanda throw in for Ibanda nyono jarukirizo mukire kaka Eliza throw in for Ibanda Sigazi Norman Ndiamuhachi shot number 14 tabi kurunje pira murunje Sande na heading over sukuru kutomero mpora gweza gwashanga musikazi wataka Conrad Sina baguma for Rubirizi baguma big fail nanyiga pass kula hansi mama nyabo yasamba kununji munongo musikazo gatanka Rambat Javira Kakuru Mugume Ashraf pass John Asimwe vida leta crossing na ronda Mugume goalkeeper mwetenka Matov in fact imba mweta Namara yasona kwa kurunji munonga bila kwata kurunji munonga kandi mpora pira kuchire 50-50 vile mwana joko na rumba konka Revilizi batanchira umujahiguru Apollo Kagogwe na itapass kuna hansi shambati meja maruni mpora Marvin fact ya bari Ashraf Mugome wa KCC basikona muteba kandi ya Zahas kandi pira sikona carrying on mpora Robert Mkongote na tatru pass ningo na undasande tia kufuna Kagogwe Apollo pass na kuelezwa Javira Kakuru pass mpora Mugume no mpira Mugume through pass ningo na ronda Marvin oshaba tia kufuna baba sikwa muya kurunji mnonga kwa shanga Javira once again Javira na kuja Selemba Joseph Selemba pass line na ronda Mugume tia kufuna refa na jirangu is a throw in ya district ya Rubirizi refa na jirangu throw in ya district ya Rubirizi 0-0 on aggregate nanesha hizi kuchiri 0-0 na aggregate kuchiri 0-0 tojera kwa nsimu y'umnyano wanja tiro tayari West Mushondi na zense cyo rukora ndetse man mnonga ecyo rukora necha man mnonga Shakib Apollo Kagogwe tubero pira muringo gurgayo zagwashanga musikazo gataka baguma yakoreza Robert bakutomera kandi kuchira mpora is now Conrad pira sikona gurusinga kwa shanga Mugume fa Ibanda Mugume counter attack kwa Mugume rimba shot basa dasara kunja ya refa na jirango free kick ni free kick ya district ya Ibanda Sigazi Mugume in fact ya Marvin Oshaba captain wa district ya Ibanda yafuna chance yo kushutinga konka bamkavaria kurunji mnonga bamutakoringa kan finally ni free kick ya district ya Ibanda 0-0 cyoka cyo kubanza turi hari Nyakasharu playground Rubirizi versus Ibanda second leg ijukangu first leg zone kabasikona za mu goals mwenda eje niyo first leg yoke yataragire mu goal kabasikona kwa 0-0 kuri muri Ibanda hali saza playground I remember zindi kabasikona za mu goals Nyamwinji ntunga mari kusinga rampara goals na hari 0 tukarebaho district ya Bushenge kusinga mbara 7 goals ibira hari yemwe twarebaho akwegamba draw ya gore mu hari yemwe that is between Bweju na district ya Kirura chance district ya Ibanda John Asimwe versus Rubirizi John Asimwe pira gurgamu Mugume pira gudya heru neza kubera goal picture district ya Rubirizi 0-0 bo bari munyarwanda batiriho Tire West TV kuno muri Rubirizi kutandikira kuri hari kutandikira kuri mu nkombe kwizira kimwe kuri yo mutawuni zirya gataho the likes of Ndeke abari hano mutawuni yitya Nyakasharo ari kuri yo muri Cyambura kimukura n'ikintu cy'amana munonga bari side za Katerera kimukura n'icyamana bari kuri yo muri Rutoto kimukura n'ikintu cy'amana munonga kunda kimwe Tire West TV abari kuri ya muri Ishaka abari side za Kizinda bari kuri yo muri Mitome kimukura n'ikintu cy'amana munonga tujya kwa twasima ujyana wanje abashema nande bahizoberi shonga tuzatambura kurungi in one way the other round ishanga bari side za kuri ya Rampara kimukura n'ikintu cy'amana munonga mnyana wanje Ian Kanzira Foundation yagira ati izoberi enshonga zo kuzitambuza kurungi munonga abo kuba nagira ati goals inani zibasika kurgayo abo kuba ntungameka tugwera batera set pieces zonka mwe nizo wenza kwa tubikora but let us wait and see kuri muri kinoni Rampara versus Ntungamo second leg ishanga aggregate kukiri ari na 0 Ntungamo twasika turemba capitalizing in set pieces aitwa free kick ya Paul Muchurezi na free kick na penalty ya Paul Muchurezi tukareba one creative goal from Msigazi wa Katanka Vianney. And of course, goals ina is a district ya Ntungamo barukuza kuri muri kinoni gukiri 0-0 leko banongera kwa nikweleza updates Jonas Simwe is now district ya Ibanda Ashraf Mgumera wasikona gumisiga gwiza gwashango Msigazi wa Katanka Brian Zibura mpira muringo kuri Hans na Rondoha basikona gufuna Lambert ya Gisata pana kangureke Lambert bino mugisha mazina ndagashana kurungi munonga Msigazi wa Katanka Lambert Nyakusinga in fact bamwita Nyakusinga Lambert Shad number 12 aba district ya Ibanda Brian Nafuna aba district kandi ya Rubirizi Javira Kakuru Javira pass kula line na Rondoha Jonas Simwe Vira prayer Jonas Simwe pass kula Hansi pass yasikona gutera kimaheru throw in aba district ya Rubirizi Iran tari kwa mpira kurungi munonga Iran ogwa aba district ya Buhejumba mwanya kurungi munonga ture pass mpora kwiza kwa Shangoha is now Msigazi wa Katanka Sande for baguma mpira kula Hansi nasindi ko mutore refa nagira ngo isakona refa nagira ngo isakona aba district kandi ya Rubirizi referee nagira ngo nikona district ya Rubirizi tukiri mucyaka cyo kubanza gukira 0-0 quarter final second leg of course as we speak Rubirizi 0 Ibanda 0 Kirura 0 Buhweju bateba very early in this game Buhweju kuri yarisanga bafuna goal yo kubanza munyano wanje ari Tire West mukire nkaka Tore cross ningo box ya mama nyabo mpira guri hero mama nyabo what a big moment for Rubirizi Buhweju bafuna goal yo kubanza hariya harisanga playground haidi rugambira gurikira gole mu 0 kandi aggregate goals zibiri za Buhweju emwe ahabwa kiruhura mama nyabo mshaba kwetanka Francis Mwizuke honorable former MP aba district head kandi ya Buhweju tukarebaho on Friday hakubaho scandal bimwe kuri gaka wasikana tayire nkambi ya district ya Kiruhara hari yarisanga playground mu training ground karebaho akanyoga naha bahagize bari kugira ngo apana atine kwa Naija technical team kugira ngo apana atine kwa Naija but all in vain sakwa turinde dakika 9 hari yarisanga playground anyway Shakib na mpira wa district ya Rubirizi Shakib na itapasi na enunga kuri Hansi na Ronda Ian nompira Iran mpora Iran mshamba timeji ya Chambara Rasters cross ningwa sande ya gufuna but mero box no mama nyamo Shakib akine chance refana jango offside siga Shakib shot 25 at district kandi ya Rubirizi ya offside byasigara kukubiriza kwantura penalties haro extra time byasigara kukubiriza kwantura penalties but as we speak gukiri 0-0 hanuya kandi 0-0 on goal aggregate here comes Mukongoti ya Robert numpira mshambati meji akana shambiro timu ya Bunyarwanda United pass Hans na Ronda Iran mshambati timu ya Chambara Rasters mpira gona kandi gahe unaweza kwa throw in fact unaweza kwa corner it's gonna be a corner kick gona our district ya Rubirizi baje kwa banyige nyindo turebe yane basikonerwa mu eshagama Rubirizi baje kwa banyige nyindo turebe yane basikurwa mu eshagama but of course as we speak 0-0 Rio Jazz Jose hanu ya hari Nyakasharo enshonga zo kwantisamza kurungi munonga abari kuri muri Mbara City enshonga za Mbara City zikiryaho nibareba bwashesha bwira enshonga tubakazetegereza kurungi munonga bushenyi eka basikone bashango mukaya bagutura goals 2 0 and in fact ibira hariye mwe tore cross ningo box biza gwashangoha pass mpora refana jangu free kick refa nagira ngo free kick ya district kandi ya Ibanda bwanyuma ya goals mwenda izatebera first leg tekatekana n'ikirere kinza kuba tureba goals nyamwingi ninganizo kusigara ku kubiri na mnongo kubera bishikona tambura cheka kandi icyo kubanza niyo cyo kwetanga first leg ya comes Norman ya muhachi shamba timeja tuga saza na cross ningo kwiza kwa Jonas asimwe fina asimwe na pass kula hansi basi kuna kutomeramo Iran mpira pass mpora Iran nashanga amayo mpira back pass kwiza kushangoha kusigazo wakwetanka Brothers mpira muringwa kwiza kwa shanga Javira kakuru for district ya Ibanda pass kula hansi na rondoha mugume pass kula hansi mpora iska is Ibanda mpira basikona gwibaho zina Robert Mukongotya Seremba Joseph mpira for Ibanda Seremba Joseph cut back mpora na rondoha mugume ya comes one of Marvin mama nyabo refa free kick free kick hanu ya Iran ya shamba kubi Iran musinguzi ya shamba kubi neza kubera Africa district kandi ya Ibanda Iran musinguzi akabasa ko nayijar kurebekaho aha team of group stages bitu hariya umufasi director abasa ko nafuna chance yo kushamba mpira but yasa ko natandika his first game Omwankore Cup of course after impressing umufasi leg na last group game bakushamba district ya Buhweju akabasa ko narebeka kurungi munonga kandi akabasa ko nateba that one goal yasa ko nateka ho difference kandi yasikona hebo mu na mnongo izobere kwa sikona tandika mpira gwe hari mu left back rather right back umusigazi Iran musinguzi no mushamba timeja amusi umunyamashobero kandi habwa professional football na kushambira hari Chambara Rasters hano yo mu regional league kandi third division niyo Chambara Rasters umusigazi Iran musinguzi imyaka 18 yuko ibukuru kandi no mushamba timeje amusi one of those young talented players kandi versatile. But today babasikona mshamsomu right back hawa district kandi ya Rubirizi sigazo waketanka Iran musinguzi. It is a free kick for district ya Ibanda. Jonas Mwagwemereremu Ashraf Mugume yaremereremu hamwe na Marvin hariyo mu space. Jonas mwenda kavinga mpira muringwa na mara bamuhereza bera bahane kutobe asokana atomera mukandi final gwakomeza mugwa asokana kugera kimwe kandi aheru bira gwaza yoneza kubera corner kick. It is a corner aba district kandi it is a corner for district kandi ya Ibanda. Corner for Ibanda mnyano ajaruchirize kandi it's a first corner for Ibanda but of course the third of the game. Corner ya kashatu muzano kandi kora kubanza district kandi ya Ibanda atakurosa ni ngomba kusimitwe wasanga ngurgayo wiza gwashangoha tukazi sande achikuine pora na ko taini ngatawa chefo pora washanga Norman passa line Jonas Simwe yasikona kufuna kurungi mnoga Jonas Simwe passa line ya mhachi baje yasikona kutomera kwa rwagira kimwe neza kubera throw in for district kandi ya Ibanda once again batapika mpira pora Soreva Joseph passa line pora Jonas Simwe is now Ibanda basikona kumwibaho Rubirizi bagwino mpira kuri line pora wiza gwashanga sande na cross box finally za kubera goal kick. It is a goal kick. It is a goal kick our district kandi. It is a hydration break. Sakwa tunamu akahumuro kache. Turebe ho kandi kwa sikona bitambura na mnongo mucwe kacho kubanza gukiri 0-0 side zombi tino wasikona ari mu katiba kamutahiwe. Kurwa mu first leg. Sofa turi mu dakika ziri kwingana 12 kandi kine owari mukatiba kamutahiwe 0 Ibanda 0 Rubirizi elsewhere kiruhura amabara 0 Buhweju bakiragoremwe kandi aggregate goals 2 aba district ya Buhweju 0 in fact emwe aba district ya Kiruhura. Rwampara 0 Ntungamo 0 aggregate gushyira goals ineza Ntungamo 0 Rwampara and Bushenyi 0-0 against Mbara City. Of course on aggregate it is Bushenyi 2 Mbara City 1. That is quarter final second leg okutuna bitambura mukire kaka. And remember hanu yari Nyakashara gukira 0 Rubirizi 0 Ibanda. Mugamachi mwena abantu mukire kaka. Of course message ni reba nyamwinji kutita tari mwene mo bari TikTok live kimukora ikintu cy'amana munonga abarukuriya hari YouTube kimukora ikintu cy'amana munonga abari mukutugwitu wa www.tayarnews.com kimukora ikintu cy'amana munonga bari kwa mutukuratira abarukuriya umukutita tari mwene na munonga abari ari Facebook kimukora ikintu cy'amana bari X comments ni nyinji kandi bari kumushikora kurungi munonga abarukuriya hari akagamba hari Instagram kimukora ikintu cy'amana munonga mwe bari kwa mukundira kimwe Tayar West TV iraka litu Rio Jose turi Nyakasharu Rubirizi 0 Ibanda nabo bakiri hari 0. Remember Nteje edition tukariyo finals that is 2022 rather 2024 twaribaho district ya Rubirizi bakusinga gore moyonka umufayino zabiri kacheka twaribaho musigazi bakataka Ismail Ramtara twareba hari kuteba gore munyamenegira skone leta district stage kandi ya Rubirizi bari kwangura ikikombe cyo 2024 and of course ndamwe hari yabo abahangwireho empaka za Nkore Cup mu edition ezingwire na munonga edition skingana ina. I remember defending champion n'abayisingiro bakasigara mu group stages na n'abashe n'aba finals abakazo bakasigara mu group stages. That is umupaka izikopo cha Nkore Cup edition ya katano. Hydration break is done and of course twasikantwa micho kachiti cyo kubanza cyo tukubizamu batanga kurungi munonga goal kick kandi kwiza gwashanga musigazi bakwetanka musigazi Robert yasikana mu mpira muringo kwiza gwashanga Conrad pass line pora Subro mpira muringwa weteka Brian Ronda Sunday Tiagufuna musigazi wakatanga James yadiga kurungi munonga gwasanga goalkeeper Matov Stewart district ya Ibanda tari kompira mpora kuri hansi kwiza gwashanga Apollo Kagogwe shabati mweji ya Maroons mpora Apollo mpora no mpira Apollo chapinga mpira line Naronda Lambert Tiagufuna kula line kwiza gwasakona neba throw in district ya Rubirizi throw in for Rubirizi ira Nathan kompira mpora kwiza gwashangoha Jonas Sima natumira mpora kushango abayo no mpira Jonas Sima basukuna kurungi munonga Akraf Mugume no mpira passe Jafira Kakuru Jafira njalo muka Apollo Kagogwe Apollo 1-2 Apollo shot 5 nasukuna mpira muringwa Narondoha Tiagufuna basukuna gufuna sigazi mwetenka Mugume Yasin Mugume Tiagufuna kandi basukuna gufuna once again Baguma naskari hansi refana agira tukumza mutine chiro Mugume Baguma for district ya Rubirizi Ronald pass mpora is now Shakib no mpira Nazil pass mpora abayo no mpira pass line Narondoha musigazi wa Shakib no mpira basukuna gumya kurungi munonga Apollo pass kula hansi Narondoha musigazi wa katanga Nazil basukuna gufuna Yasin Tiagufuna kula hansi Yasin pira Tiagufuna final yasigara hansi kandi referee nagira ngo reka twarebe sho kuzira sasa stambura Batiste throw in aba district kandi ya Ibanda pass zibona pura emuhandijo mugamachi Banyana bajara hari Mbine Sports Center murembo rambara chimukari cy'amana munonga kandi bari ko muzweka team zito mwankore kabu bari ko mukoresha cy'amana munonga ba Mbine Joseph Sports Center tureba Jonas Simwe pira guringwa kandi rwasiko njera cy'umuheru abambine Sports Center hari murembo rambara bagira ngo barwakire kaka kare cy'umukari cy'amana munonga ko bari ko mukundira kimwe Tayari West TV bari ko musavingi hanga enshonga zo zitambara kurungi munonga aba Mbine Sports Center abakwenda ibintu byona bikwate nebemizano bakwenda pool table bakwenda mpira iri original bakwenda jazz iri original abakwenda kuzihandikaho muri amashomero ninga shone team nenda kubasa ko registering ninga shkwasa ko neshabaka pira none shoka kwasa ko tereza kunungi munonga tayira bambine Sports Center enshonga zitambare kurungi munonga mukire nkaka that is Mbine Sports Center hariya BNK umurembo rambara aho henyini hihi na Centenary Bank that is Mbine Joseph Sports Center enshonga bastereze kurungi munonga Shongari zimwe kwa tambara hanu ya Iran no mpira Iran musinguzi pass pora mayo pass line kwiza kushangoha sigazo wakwetanka baguma kuri line yasikona kumbuga kurungi munonga gwashanga Apollo no mpira Apollo najika pass pora gwashanga Mugume Akraf Mugume nakwerezoha sigazo wataka Yasin Tiagufuna kurungi munonga pass line Iran pass pora zo kandi nyoke kitondezekayo refana jangu tukumira mutine chiro isinawo Mugume Akraf isinawo Selemba neck prayer Selemba Joseph zaro ya district ya Ibanda Selemba pass line pora Jonas Simwe for Selemba no mpira Selemba pakuna pora Brian Tiagufuna isinawo Mugume isinawo Selemba Joseph Selemba 1-2 pass line kushangoha isinawo ndiamu hachi no man Selemba once again babasikona kumbuga kurunja line bityo mpora gukira 0 district ya Ibanda 0 Rubirizi Nuko bijo nitambura mpora mnyano ajari kuri ariko batari wese mukire kaka turi cross ninga Apollo gwiza basikona kurunja munonga Apollo Here comes Robert Mukongote pass kula line Naronda Shakib ya heading wa Apollo gwasikona kushangoha tubiro mpira muringwa sigazi Rambert header from Rubirizi Jonas Simba basikona kata mpora Baguma here comes Shakib Nazil Now Conrad pass kuri Lance naunda Iran mpora Iran nompira musinguzi passe ningo naunda Sande nompira mpora Sande for Birizi Sande William Sande mpora cross ningo kiraka baskona guyo Apollo natubura pira muringo gurgayo wira mpira kuri muringo mpora Iran yabaskona gumisinga wiza gwashangoha sikazi bakatanka Yasin kuri line baska mpora refa Niger free kick refa Niger free kick referee Niger free kick ya district kandi aya Ibanda batani kwa mpira Jonas Imwe nanjiga pasi kuri Lance Ashraf nompira pasi mpora nafuna now pasi mpora Yasin ahiriza chafira kakuru nompira naronda Selemba tiagufuna Iran goalkeeper Namara Evaristo has been at Rubirizi for the last 3 editions. Sigazi Namara goalkeeper wa timu ya 6 o'clock kuri muri Bushenyi, and of course nenjara ya Rubirizi referee nagira ngo haruhande buhanuya it's a free kick for Rubirizi. Brian for district ya Rubirizi nata cross ningo box hanuya tule goalkeeper na line Stewart nasakona kwata kurunjo mpira sio topira kwata kurunjo mnonga atandiko pira muringwa. Here comes Rubirizi, back pass kushanga goalkeeper Namara Evaristo. Pass a line. Majirati HV chibachinde kwa chirihare. It is now Ibanda. Goalkeeper Evaristo Namara. Na usikona pato mpira kurunji mnonga. Seremba Joseph unaweza kuwa na blocking mpira kandi referee Najirati hapana, that is not accepted. Referee Najirati, that is not accepted in most cases. Mpira gwe goalkeeper naba ine chance. But of course turadebera goals in case ziri kunyo omunjeretyo. Tushikaho way back in is now Mugume. Baguma for district kandi ya Rubirizi tasamba kurunji mnonga James yashamba kurunji mnongo musigazi James Nabasa wa district ya Ibanda yashamba kurunji mnongo pira sikona clearing kandi gwargayo neza kubera throw in ya district kandi ya Rubirizi with the throw in ntushika ho way back in time tukaribo mpira gwa club ya Arsenal wakishamba na club ya West Bromwich Albion goalkeeper West Bromwich akwato mpira kiyagire kusumura Ashavini yargenyuma ya top ya blocking mpira kandi gwakwataka timba goro bajibara. So wale baseremba arukore kintu kechi manyangu professional na manyangu the result can be positive for Ibanda. Ya blocking mpira from space atashambire ku goalkeeper. It is always a goal and counted. Throw in our district kandi ya Rubirizi vitu Batani kompira kurunji mnongo box goalkeeper Matof Stewart yaskona punching gwa Zahir corner. It is going to be a corner our district ya Rubirizi. Corner for Rubirizi. It is a corner for Rubirizi. Of course mnyana aja kucheza mpira kucheza 0-0 timu chaka cha kubanza. It is a corner for Rubirizi. Robert leto cross on box mitwe pira gwa Zahiru dakika turi mu dakika ya 32 kandi gukiri 0 Ibanda 0 Rubirizi. Of course second leg Fruga twatandika cyo cyo kubanza cha first leg katanduka guri 0-0 na hatu gukiri 0-0 tini watebera mukatiba kamtahiwe. Remember Rubirizi emizano yene yashambira cha yechi on group stages teka lemiro kuteba turebere mu goals birezi barakuteba kandi sigazo gatanka Iran musinguzi no mwari abaskora batebera district kandi ya Rubirizi tura Robert mpira muringwa kandi baskora kugera kimwe heru goal kick fa Ibanda bashambire mizane ebiri kandi hanomuka murege mizane ebiri twarebo bakuzana district ya district ya Bweju bashyiga gore mu hari 0 katasi of Iran musinguzi biza basingana district ya Mitoma gore mu hari 0 hanu ya henyini Simansangu district ya Rubirizi emizano iri bakushambira hanomuka yo nabagumiza muri kwasikana bateba tubaka hiro mpira kwa 0-0 kandi Ibanda tubakatebere gore mwe yonka twakatebereye Adenagoro nemwe babagira bugenyi and in the whole tournament bine goals kungana ibiri. That is a goal. In fact, goal, yes indeed. Goal mo yonka eyibatebera mu tournament ejo umusigazi bagatanka Ashraf Mugume bakugwa draw na district ya abagwa draw na district ya Ibanda, in fact ya Kiruhura. That is their second last game hari umuka. In fact it was their last home game against district ya Kiruhura. Mukahwa goal mo hari yemwe courtesy of Ashraf Mugume. Niyo goal yonka ibintu mu tournament eji kandi yose ko bagenda umishano kandi bateba kandi bine one of those best strikers district ya Ibanda musigazi Ashraf Mugume. Of course na shambira team ya KCCA bineho Mavino Shaba shamba team ya Marunzi no mahari yabo kandi abikujanti bakaye batwire goals na mnongo mu tournament eji batazwi speak tukarebere goal nemwe side yabo purga mumbere kuzonzi tambura. Here comes Conrad na yake pora is now baguma no mpira baguma na yambasa ningwa biza gwashanga umusigazi Shakib kandi mpira gwagira kimwa heru. Refana Jirangu, it's going to be a throw in a district ya Rubirizi. Bitu finally turebereho over this weekend umusigazi Ivan Ahimbisibwe finally diriye kwegita kuri yo muyihangira Iraq basikone hendero kandi wahatiya naza ko naterera kwe abamba mu expect kushamba team ya KCCA. It is now done and dusted. Taraskona samba Premier League ya Uganda musigazi mwetenka Ivan Ahimbisibwe finally shonga basikone stambara kurunji mnonga in favor of him. It is the corner for Rubirizi bitaitu rukambira Kiruhura bafuna equalizer. Bonyana banje barisanga Kiruhura bafuna equalizer. Of course twarebaho district ya Buhweju yaba first kora substitution musigazi Solomon okwaringa yasukona taho mushayi for Buhweju ngukirigore mu hariye mwazi speak right about now. It's a corner. It is a corner for Rubirizi. Robert Mukongotya with the corner for Rubirizi. Robert eta crossing box no hard ho tura crossing pora mitwe bakuriyo wasuka chiro box tura Conrad hanu ya mama nyabo. Conrad with that acrobatic kick, but of course it goes wide. If the acrobatic kick goes wide from Conrad, shot 8 aba district kandi ya Rubirizi. Here comes Apollo Kagogwe. Apollo back pass mpora goalkeeper Stewart Matovu. Stewart 1-2 tura crossing pass kuna hansi Amayo. Shot 6 district ya Rubirizi. Amayo no mpira ita crossing box chest control from Ashraf Mugume. Here comes Selemba with the ball. Selemba for district kandi ya Ibanda. Back pass kuna hansi narondo musigazi wa Lambat no mpira na heza Jonas Simwe no mpira Jonas Simwe. Refana Jirangu mpira gwa Gahero neza kubera throw in district ya Rubirizi. Kiruhura goremwe Buhweju goremwe. That means it's aggregate 2-2. Aggregate ni 2-2. Hey. Aggregate ni 2-2 aituru Gambrevi. Throw in aside ya district kandi ya Rubirizi. Bit goalkeeper Stewart ari hansi naza ko nafuna bujanja bi mnyano wanja kurikiza mukire nkaka mugaba cyumjano wanje Nash official agira ngo ari mukire nkaka nshonga naza ko nazetegeza kurunje mnonga mugaba cyumjano wanje Rogers agira ngo ari mukire nkaka cyo kwari cy'abantu kuri muri shema nshonga nazitambuza kurunje mnonga. Of course mnyano wanje nibinje of course message ni ndeba nyamwinji nshonga zo zitambara kurunje mnonga. Mnyano wanje Precious agira ngo ariho icyo rwanda cyamani. Mnyano wanje Kams Mathias kuri muri shema abantu bashema bari kwa mukunda kimata West. Message ni nzireba mpora and now nshonga 0-0 hanuya. It's a very beautiful evening. Mnyano wanje Alex Harmony nawe yagira ngo ariho cyo rwanda cyamani munonga. Nibyo 0 Rubirizi 0 Ibanda on aggregate 0-0. Byasigara ko kubinza kwa ya penalties kandi hano ya buri muti yakobe nahita kwasa ko ntari ya penalties abukuba enshonga as we speak right now tukayenzere kugira ngo enshonga tuzirebe ko kuziri. Yes indeed, mwana wanje Osborne Mushabe mwana wanje Osborne chairperson in charge of enshonga za media and mobilization. Wale kurungi mnonga. Here comes Ashraf Mugume. Ashraf Mugume pora for district ya Ibanda pass pora kushangani Norman Diamhachi back pass kushanga James Nabasa James for Norman mpira Norman pass pora kushangani Kakuru Javira Kakuru Seremba back pass mpira usakona kutera chimwe throw in for Rubirizi Brian pora nazo kana tani kompira line am left back pora na tani kompira muringo kushanga Baguma nasaro mpira pora Baguma is now Rubirizi na attack back on box no hard goal pia shitwa cyasukana kwa takurungi mnonga Said Haria Rampara ninde basikone funa goal yo kubanza Rampara basikone funa goal yo kubanza mnyana wanja rukiza mukire nkake cyo kwaniza cyamana mnonga kushanga no tamuze nshongezi yishwangu twareba ho FUFA president Mwetenka Engineer Moses Magogo yasindika mushagikiye omwankore cup buri team sofa eri mu group mu quarter final babasindikira ya mpira kugira ngo mushambe mu training kurungi munonga eshonga mustambuze ko tindi kubabana muza kutrainingira nkahi Rampara yafuna goal yo kubanza yakamuza amusigazo weta Baguma pasa line pora Aporo nagize ko namujana ka 1-2 gwashanga Baguma asabala sara muntu kurungi munonga Lambert ture cut back pora basikona gufuna yakamuza team echi it's now ribanda pasa line basikona gufuna amayo no mpira kushanga ho Javira Kakula Javira Kakura pasa line biza kushanga ho pasa pora kuri hansi na ronda ya Cynthia gufuna Cynthia gufuna kandi neza kuberefero ya district ya Ibanda. Rampara, they still dream to come back into this game and score all the 4 goals. That is if it is possible at this very juncture. But of course they get that early goal. Bachumshaka chokubanza kandi gore mwe Rampara 0 Ntungamo. Their dream is to contain this game. It is only containing this game. Gwahu 0 in favor of Rampara Ntungamo nerabamu Gwahu 0 in favor of Rampara Ntungamo nerabaho. The only way out is to score all the 4 goals and if possible bakongeramo goal ya katano eshonga treni zitambura kurungi munonga. That is mwabazi nko kujya murungi aside ndizo chiruhura gukiriza emwe Rampara goal emwe Ntungamo 0 Bushenyi 0-0 against Mbara City and of course Hanuya enshonga zino zitambura kurungi munonga 0-0 hatimu zombi half time kuriya hari kiruhura Sanga kirane baragoremwe buheje bakiri hari goremwe. That is Sanga second leg and of course we will bitambura Yaskona musigayo is now Shakib no mpira Shakibu here comes once again Iran baskare mireho free kick refana jana free kick ya district ya Rubirizi free kick ya district ya Rubirizi Nogama chumunywana wanje Elias Byaruhanga yagira ngo arumkire nkake cyo kwani cyamana munonga Well, it's a free kick at district ya Rubirizi. Bisigazi na Mara Evaristo with that free kick kurumu hihina ni box ya district ya Rubirizi. Well, messages ni nyingi konka cyumukana ni cyamana mnonga. Of course free kick ya district ya Ibanda. Bisigazi bakwetaka Ashraf Mugume nazo kana tanka pora Ashraf Mugume naita pass kula Hans Launda Lambert no mpira Lambert ndia Sima pasa line Jonas Simwe mshabati mechi afira new signing kurgo mtimia Express Jonas Simwe na Rizoha Lambert nasala muntu pora back pass Iran Musinguzi nayo mpira muringwa na Ronda Edson Vakti abadi Sunday William pass pora Conrad tureba pass amayo no mpira amayo for Rubirizi pasa line na Rondoha zikazo tanka Nazir pass yaskona gunaga Jonas Simwe no mpira Jonas Simwe signing afira is now Ashraf Mugume KCCA is now Seremba Joseph Neki Seremba Joseph, pass, what a brilliant play from Brian, pass kula mpora, is now Lambert for Jonas Simwe no pili, Jonas Simwe mpira wasikona gunaga, bagwiba kurungi mnonga, here comes umusigazo wakitaka mukume, pass kula Lance, baguma, is now Ndiamu Hachi Norman, pass emwe, Javira Kakuru, Javira, pass mpora, Seremba for Norman nompira, Norman, pass a line Norman, mpora, na Kenneth Seremba Joseph, Seremba, pass Norman nompira, Ibanda trying to pass, dance around, 1-2-1 to Kabonera, here comes Ashraf Mugume, is now Jonas Simwe, wasikona gume kurungi mnonga, kuza kwa shanga Conrad nompira, Conrad, pass a line, nashanga Robert Mukongotya Robert, pass mpora ningwa, naronda Sande kumenangai Sande William, mpira wasikona guheadinga gwaza heru. Pira bakwendiga gwaza heru kandi gwasikona mbuza mumabazi nkogu. Pira ngumiza mu now Mukongotya Robert, pass ningwa naronda James wasikona guheadinga gwargayo James nabasa. Kuza gwashanga amayo of course Ashraf Mugume abasikona muri sebinyansi, pass mpora Mukongotya Robert Mukongotya enzaro ya hanuya Brian mpira muringwa naronda Norman yasikona kufuna kurungi mnonga Ndiamu Hachi, Mukongotya Robert, pass health control Robert Mukongotya, Sande omu space, Sande 1-2-1-2, Sande nasara babiri bashatu, Sande aromba kusipasa ningwa mama nyabo shamba kurungi James nabasa yasamba kurungi mnonga, asabona mkontaininga kano pira asikona guye kurungi mnonga, yasakona mkontaininga kurungi mnonga kandi ritera back pass kusanga musigazi waketanka Matofu Stewart, Apollo Kagogwe, Apollo Nano wanje Osborne abosamire nabona bandamukize abukuba enshongezi ntureba byo muze ko muzitambuza kurungi mnonga. Wale wafufa enshongezi zitahire mu kurungi mnonga, nikimanyisa ngo enshonga zankore cup buri mu hato mwihanga nazimanya, kandi tongera kwantu basima buri ko muri Entebbe abarukuru mu Rembo rwa Kampala, abarukuri side za Mwana wanje Paulo yagira ngo arukuriya umuside za Kawempe, echo rukura n'ikintu cy'amana munonga, abarside za Najana Nkumbi, abarside za Nansana kimukora n'ikintu cy'amana munonga abanyankora bari yokwe n'Uganda ruri ari bo yokwe shongo rukuzeteja kurungi munonga, echo rukura n'ikintu cy'amana munonga, and indeed tongera kwantu basima kurungi munonga. Shikunda n'amashazaga Buganda ngagumizamu zakwa nikwerezaho, by the way, some of the pictures kugenda mu munonga izoba nkeri bitira n'amashaza kuriya hagato ngagumizamu izoberi gakabasika gatandika izoro rakatano tukareba photo city painted white, and indeed nanizo bene bagumizamu n'imzane tari mwenemwe zakwa nikwerezo updates na munonga kurwo muside ezo, and of course n'amasaza gabusoga nagoga nigira hiko asika gatandika turi mu season yo kwasika tureba amasaza garugumizamu kurwo mu regions zitari zimwe na zimwe. And of course, referee says half time for this. Gwatambura 0 district ya Rubirizi 0 district kandi ya Ibanda. Mwabaze ko kunyamurungi hano ya Nyakasharu. It's a very beautiful evening. Echo rukora n'icyo cy'abantu munonga kushanga notambura nitana mwabaze ko Rio Jazz Jose enshonga wazire kurungi munonga kandi kuza basikane zitambura. I truly believe nti enshonga nzakwantu tugera kwantu zitegereza kurungi munonga. Mwabaze ko turebeho kandi kwera abasikane bitambura. Ishkangu district ya Rubirizi nitayise, and we truly believe nti enshonga zakwa zitambura kurungi munonga batayise bwana mureba haba hagize basikane bija tana puri higuru munonga, and we believe nti at the end of this all Rubirizi bamanya koresa edakikana n'itanu zishika cyo kubanza, kandi we are still able to see enshonga zasikane zitambura, and indeed tutanture half time ko yasikane zitambura district zombi batoreka ngo inteste ya game yasigaye so focused na munongo mabaze nkogu, and so kwantureba ibitego yasikane zitambura Rubirizi. Of course bari muka kandi zo kwantufunaho omwe arba analyst batugambire enshonga kuba yasikane bazireba na munonga half time uko yasikane bitambura, then tongere kwatekereza na munonga embere kuzo zitambura. Smile edashingana itano wazire kandi district ya Rubirizi tubakatore kino mpira gutumanyirwa kushamba amuceka cyabo na munonga babarahanuya Ibanda bazizo kushamba ka 1-2-1 tukabonire mudashingana n'itano course bakisingira kupasinga mpira wanoreba from Seremba, from Jonas Simwe, from Ashraf Mugume, enshonga n'itano wazirebota for this half time.
Okay, wanoreba mpira ogu abashabona beti nejuka no mpira guru 0-0, which means ngo anytime umuntu yateba mu tubasa kuba ntureba mpira either nderaho ningashi uriyo arugwiya mu mwiko mungeri nkeje. So for that matter therefore buri yomena anda kupuma that virginity kugira ngo ukotante bananye tabasa kuba nyiteba niyo nshonga bakitwa akarebera mpira kubonire kurga both Rubirizi na timu y'Ibanda buri yometa kwenda kubasa kuba nateba mutayi we.
Well, first leg tukareba district ya Rubirizi ba dominating a second half tugire ngo tu expecting na mnonga hanuya.
Not really. Kandi at second half yaza kuza ntiza kutabukira kimwe because still atubona baza kuza on defensive game tino turarebe na unless other ngo haba honka set piece kabasa kubana utilizing but besides that tinkureba ampira tuza kuba tukizanda rwagataha kureba ngo basa kwenderana no mbwina even urugero mpira kungurebana na approach ya team zone kuza basa kubana zija na nawareba lineup yabo kuba basa kubana bajishoma tino kureba in attacking mind barebo kuna no side zone tino utwarebere na rumba inga rukuteka pressure kareba ngo at least ejyabera chance ninga yabera.
Finally district ya Rubirizi basande mizano 10 ibereke kwa bashamu mwankore cup ashaye kitbakaterwa mpira bakahereka kubana testing a loss against district ya Buhweju way back in 2023 bine 10 straight wins omakagabo. Prediction yabo prediction ya wampiro
prediction ya Justin standing as 0-0 unless otherwise.
Nza kwa ntumura mukache kandi tubase kwa tukora akasente kaba kama bitu bitwantongera kwa nsimaho aba Mbine Sports Center ejo kwa sikano bastereza ku nyumura abine kwegamba byo mzarubere byo kwetaga no pool table no mpira ndajaze ari murembo rwambara hari no kwa nofana kurunja munonga kandi ejo gazitambore kurunja munonga. A short break zoka tugaruka with the second half targata ya West Rio Jazz Jose. A short break.
Abitex Promotions yakuretera Rage Life in concert. Arkololo Airstrip Kampala ebero musanzu byo kwezi kwa munana 2026 izoberyo riberyo kusemererwa no mwozo witu Rage ari kuba tweshongorere turukuzane ndongo erukukura neko korwara mpaka busesire gurale bad ticket aha MTN momo hati aha mitware biri yonka ordinary ticket emitware 3 VIP emitware 5 emeze y'abantu bukaga miliyoni 2 y'abantu 8 miliyoni 3 zonka. Rage Life in Concert 2026.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nubagaruka ya ishomero kandi ibintu bicira kubi abo ashota kutwara icweka cha fiza ishomero rya junior rireza moto tukazishashura bwanyuma.
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntukozisa momo naho tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabona basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero agacejumbire muri ge basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani yishomero ahabwa kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
This June, step into a bigger entertainment experience with more to love on Us. We're talking more drama, more action, more unforgettable stories, all waiting for you. We're opening up our world of entertainment so you can view more.
Okay.
This June, pay for your current GoTV subscription and we'll upgrade you at no extra cost.
Bino bintamye kene nawe bwante walisanyi keri mpe wakazero kombo cha drink Bublan akuja chako aho ndete nawe leta
kakane buli mwagenda kufuna laba none nasange nedda kachiri bashiti gwengenda kuwa kazero kombucha gwengenda kuwa kazero tawata naye kwata gotumanyi mbuno bano badde myaka musanvu beddu nga bali mu business kali buli omungenda mu myaka tumakwata
bino bikoleddwa aba Jonathan and Frank Investments abawanguzibwa People's Choice Quality Award 2025 bakuleetedde ne Kazero Drink and Win Promotion era nga ky'osanga mu kasaanikira ky'owangula bw'onyo Kazero tewali kikuwangula.
Bongana Tayal West orutayayo rwa Bongana Tayal West hamwe na MTN Free Your Fire hati rwashuma mu Rembi Ibanda. Ego abantu b'Ibanda tulyasiba ni mwaho mu katare ka Ibanda Town kibanza cyo kwa munano mwaka ogu enama yahweire obwo rwehangurira ebiconco nyamwingi kurwa mu MTN Wonders hamwe na Tayal West. Deru omwabazio turagara muri Amnesia Club tweyongera kukucamura n'aba DJ n'aba MC bamani abarakushemeze obwe twinira abashongozi bamani abebembirwe Truth 256
abongo bunkokozese nyawetembu chokora nawawe konko kabutokoz ngahofata kutigaza navashenase ye
MC Lithan mukuru w'Ekyanga
mwena mujulengo aro pleasure being here mukuru w'Ekyanga Lithan MC. My brother Phantom DJ all the way from Tayari was CV Murije.
Richie Ima hamwe n'abashongozi kurwa mu Kingdom Music bebembirwe Kabaka Saimo ebyona nibikuleterwa MTN Free Your Fire Wonders Beauty Products hamwe na Tayal West iraka lyeitu.
Muchara wanji mwami akahoho kararugokwe kukaransonasona nkunyishe na bene iwe
hati turakozesa sabundi za Wonders.
It is okay ndebire wanyirira n'abana batakeyagura kamba njurire esabundi za Wonders zirimo ebirungo byo muhendo okuhumuraje no kukuhwera kumaraho burwire bwo mubiri okananuka okanyirira aba Wonders beine Wonders medicated soap nerwaniso bukoko aha mubiri beine Wonders herbal soap ibyo kweyaguzo rugusyo wacha wewe beine Wonders baby soap ejineri ndaje mibiri y'abana ejikwata mememe aba Wonders beine Wonders black soap okuchencho burofwa mu mibiri okasigarura bobera aba hoteli na guest houses mutwarira abajenyi banyu Wonders guest soap eina kahoho karungi esabuni za Wonders ziryo mu maduka gono mwihanga omu retail na wholesale zikakakasibwa na UNBS abo byo mutindo abariko no mbwingi tere simu noti 383 gura hati
Wonders, always wonderful.
In the neighborhood, near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution, the malaria vaccine. The malaria vaccine is now in the routine immunization schedule. The malaria vaccine is administered in 4 doses. At 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and 18 months. This vaccine will provide extra protection against severe malaria. And don't forget, routine immunization protects children from many deadly diseases. Every vaccine matters. Visit the nearest health facility for routine immunization services today. Mr. Vaxa, the malaria vaccine is free, safe, and ready to protect our children. Will you join the fight and complete all 4 doses? For more information, call the Ministry of Health on 0800 100 066. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
Uganda!
how are you? How is weather? Kuna Nation presents the Kunana MC Live Experience Season 4 on the 30th of July 2026 at Shooters Bar and Grill Mbarara. Come experience the greatest and illest performance from the mic icon Kunana MC, featuring a lot of DJs, MCs and artists. Tables go for 300k, 500k and 1 million. Gather your squad and come experience full-time vibe. For reservation, call or WhatsApp 0753 059 658 or 0781 902 487. This is all brought to you by Shooters Bar and Grill, Aquafina, Uptown Events and Tayari West TV. Aro, Mwena Mutirengu, yeah!
nawe nyibabara zero shikwa ngoda chikana ni 5 okuzatambura nukweza atambwire no mudakika 9 that is last week omupaka yeza nkwereka first leg and today atontorokera kwa abantu zakandi mu cyogati cya kabiri kureba noha arasekwa natwara umuzano kagu na mnongo bazo nko remember chikana ni 5 za so balanced team zombi byo mwana ruba mutahiwe nka byo mwana aje kwa natika imbere kugira ngo ahindureho but twarebaho at least district ya rubirize kuzoka dominating and we truly believe so stambura as we speak kurigirira mshaye bindi of course ntuka baskona teba goal atwareba ho rubirizi bahati ya Rwampara bine goals 2 and tuka bine goal emwe aside kuri ya kiruhura tureba kandi ku goal emwe hari emwe kiruhura bara goal emwe and district ya boys bara goal emwe then Mbara City na Bushenyi ku 0-0 and of course buri hari hari Bushenyi main stadium kana mubazi ko kututo kumchuka cya kabiri okureba district ya rubirizi na Ibanda no harazwa na semi finals kandi kurebesha opera sports Mbara na mubazi ko as we speak right about now but of course turitsumchuka cya kabiri ikiriza basi kwa kandi nabwe enshonga nistabza ku rudonga bamaze ko atrebe who is coming up right about now. Into the second half of the game, of course, Ibanda 0 Rubirizi 0 ture crossing ngo kuri hansi muringo gwiza gwashanga umusigazi wa Bautano Ndiam hachi kandi final rwagira kimoheru neza kuba eri Ariko bira kuruzi mnoga line gwiza gwashanga umusigazi wagatanka Norman Ndiam hachi James baje kwa basindikana basa gwiza gwashanga uha is now baguma no mpira for district ya Rubirizi baguma fosha ki pass kuri hansi zina baguma no mpira baguma Rubirizi on the move on the run cut back achiraka basa nafuna basa kandi baguma cut back of course bino muri gwagira kimoheru bira gwagira kimoheru neza kubera goal kick ya district ya Ibanda. Rubirizi has started this in that high intensity and of course that pedigree. The level of the need is mounting time in and time out. The pressure, the need, the intensity, and all that. Here comes Conrad. Conrad Batigadians refana jangu tinechiroho final jangu free kick. Refana jangu free kick ya district kandi ya Rubirizi. Rubirizi has always got better of any other team they face here. Umecheka cha kabiri. That's why they dominate the game. Tukareba how 2024 Baruk Singa district ya Bushenyi after that late comeback 3-2 bakatandika mudakika change na mwenda mudakika cyenda kaguri 3-2 basikunda gumiza muno kusuhuza district ya Bushenyi hari mu quarter finals after a 1-1 draw kuri muri Bushenyi bakiza hano basikensho ngara basiringa here comes Yasin Faibanda Yasin mpira muringo naronda Ashraf na brother Marvin Oshaba no mpira basikona kumuya ku mnonga here comes musigazi wa Takabran pass ningwa narondoha pass line narondoha musigazi wa Lambert mpira gurika gwagira kimoheru Lambert mpira gurika gwagira kimoheru ataka ku mnonga Jonas Simwe asibona mpira Simwe Akenes Ambayo for district kandi ya Rubirizi basikona kuya ku mnonga gwiza gwashaka James na basa hiriko mpira gwargayo Conrad chest control Conrad against Jonas Simwe no mpira tasoring of course Pirigeta is now Jafira Kakuru Jafira no mpira Jafira pass line na rondoha Lambert no mpira pass line once again Mugume na tunga no mpira pora sikona kuya is now Stephen pora back pass shanga goalkeeper Evaristo na mpira muringo kandi gwagira kimohero neza kubera throw in. There is a throw in for district kandi ya Ibanda. Throw in for Ibanda. Bakwarikaho kandi Sigazi Mwetenka Lambert. There is a throw in for district ya Ibanda gukina 0-0. Shekani cha kabiri kandi Nyakasharu live. ahemeza Tayari West of course nubwo kimujyano wanje yagira ngo hariho kuri Nancy kuri muri akagamba kuri muri Nancy yagira ngo hariho that is Nancy Adera yashoga cyo Rwanda cyitwa Manu munonga mukire kaka anyway dore cross ningwa kandi upere final guri heri throw in ya Rubirizi iza throw in for Rubirizi mwana njya rukizo mukire kaka nubwo banyone banje bari kuriya muri Kashari abarside za Bwizibwera abarside za Rubindi ecyo mu Rwanda tulonga abarside za kuri muri Kashare abarside za Rubaya otiro Tayari West mukire kaka shonga no kiza kwa no kuri cyo cyitwa Chamano kuri muri Sanga ecyo mu Rwanda cyitwa Chamano munonga Kiruhura 1 Bwejo 1 Rampara 2 Ntungamo 1 is now Seremba pira muri ngo bagira kimuheru pira bagira kimuheru kandi neza kuberi goal kick ya district kandi ya Rubirizi ya Rubirizi batakwa pira muri ngo uza bashanga Iran musinguzi Iran It is now Robert Mkongotia. Pass hands. Shakib. Here comes Brian. Pass kwa hands na ronda Shakib. Na kushanga ligata kushanga fanya mpira kwa wasikoni kukamuzu. Mdumiza kwa wasikoni kurenga. It is going to be a throw in for Ibanda. Throw in for Ibanda. Mnyona haja kucheza kile kaka. Throw in for Ibanda. Turugambire bikiruhura bafana goal ya kabiri Kiruhura with the second goal Kiruhura with the second goal I'm yet to confirm who has scored for Kiruhura Musigazi Atwire Kenneth askora atebera district kandi ya Kiruhura kandi goal zibiri Kiruhura emwe Bwejo Baganda banje bahunariwe mwijike Baganda banje bahunariwe mwijike shonga twakazetegereza kuri Munonga side kuri ya Rampara half time gasikana kwa goals zibiri Rampara emwe Ntungamo Mushenyi Imbara City 0-0 Rampara 2 Ntungamo 1-3 passing kuri hansi kwiza gwashaka John Asimwe lata crossing kwa kiraka basikana tumera Brian kuri hansi para Steven nazo kanaje mu commanding exchange here comes team ya Ibanda John Asimwe mpira John Asimwe 1-2 back pass Mushanga Noman lata crossing box sanuya tandra bagolo wanesoka baba nyabo is now Seremba final mpira kuri hero. It's going to be a goal kick for Rubirizi. It is a goal kick for but Rubirizi bagira ngo nikisigarumuka. This was the final way back in 2024. Rubirizi kaguhangara gore mu hariziro man mwijikaho goal ikabera free kick ya Ismail Bamutara. It was against district ya Ibanda. Iran natabuka pira muringo kula line ronda Robert Mkongotia yatabuka pira baguma for district ya Rubirizi na pira yagunaga Apollo Samura mpira muringo guciya line kiraka kandi chest control from Apollo Kagogwe na shomo mpira muringo na shango Edison Kaheba the substitute Edison Kaheba na afuno mpira pora here comes is now Rubirizi pass Iran mpira Iran shot 15 Iran is now district ya Rubirizi close ningwa pira guri heru neza kuberi goal kick ya district ya Ibanda. Baritamu Edison Kaheba kandi n'umusigazi Semanzi yazo nataha mukandi umucuka kandi kito cya kabiri. Mukokwe 0 district ya Rubirizi 0 district ya Ibanda kandi na aggregate ku 0-0. Abakiruhura izobe risanga ninjirangu neza kushaba mizi sanga neza kushaba twizi Atirugambire bikiruhura on aggregate bebembire 3-2 outside area ntungamo on aggregate bebembire 5-2 and of course Bushenyi bebembire aggregate ya 2-1 because kuchira 0-0 dakika nani itandeze cyo kubanza but here he's the only game itakarebe mugoro nemwe guchira 0-0 from the first minute of first leg until now guchiri 0-0. Gama tunjwana wanje Dr. Asimwe kuri muri Bwizbwera haricho medical post cyo kora ndetse cyamana mnonga echo ko necha mari kwasanga no kora Tata West TV abaryaho bagambire nguru yo Jose yabaramsya enshonga nuko ziri. Here comes Conrad for Birizi Conrad no mpira pora Conrad atapasa ningwa gwiza kwashanga Iran no mpira Iran kula higuru Iran for district ya Birizi basi nikapora fanaja gutine chiro tukomezamo. Here comes Lambert yasikona mshidinga kuri mnongo mpira kwa renga goal kick. Kare nuko biri goal emwe district kandi ya Ubeju ibiri kiruhura kuri hari sanga playground of course on aggregates kiruhura nebembire goal zishoto hari ibiri kandi of course bajana banje abakuri muri kiruhura nimanyanga of course celebration ziri higuru mnonga mnyana wanje gafana tanu mukago enshonga runaje ko nazire bakurunje mnonga referee najirangu amawe yashamba kubika neza ko district ya Ibanda Here comes Javira for Selemba Imran na sikona tumbera mpira kandi gwasikunjira kimwe heru throw in ya district ya Ibanda. Lambert tabi mpira kurunja line Selemba Joseph pasi ni kadi mpira kuri na Jirangu throw in na district kandi ya Lubirizi tabi mpira muringa header from Lambert Selemba na tumbera mpira on box. Here comes Lambert back pass Javira Kakuru James Nabasa sumura pira muringwa Naronda Brian mpora Kezina Brian sumura pira muringwa Norman Jamuhachi Edson Kahebwa through pass ningwa Baguma spira basikora gutera kimuheru pira gutera kimuheru kandi neza kuba eri throw in ya district ya Ibanda. Kakuru Javira Ashraf Mugume Kakuru Javira Selemba Joseph Selemba pira muringwa Naronda Lambert nakufuna kurunji bategari hands referee najirangu free kick ya Lambert uko biri Deo Mutabazi that is FIFA executive hariya harisanga enshonga bazitambuza kurunja mnonga buri team neza ko nefune mpire 5 from FIFA courtesy of FIFA president engineer Moses Magogo kandi kwasikona supporting bemeza no mwankore cyareba go FIFA executive member that is Deo Mutabazi asikona agita kurunja mnonga hariya harisanga Ishkango mucheka cyo kubanza kuri hari American Recruit Stadium, that is Bushenyi Main Stadium, which is 0-0, and that is what Bushenyi wants from that. Amayo, Edison Kaheba, the captain, the substitute, Croseningwa, Robert Mkongo Tewas kono kumbuyo kurunji mnonga kwa sanga Selemba Joseph Naita Croseningwa na rondoha, Marvin Oshaba na kurunji mnonga, Marvin Oshaba, everybody goes the ball, of course dancing around, but of course, being cleared away. Here comes Aporo for Edison Kaheba. Croseningwa na rondoha Semanzi no mpira pass kushanga Baguma header from Semanzi na kufuna ningata kufuna finally James mpira kulichira goalkeeper Stewart Matovu yasikona funa kurunji mnonga Stewart Matovu mpira yasikona kufuna kurunji mnonga yatari kupira kushanga James Nabasa for Stewart agaba Aporo kagogwe na mpira muringwa header from Norman Yamahachi, just control from Ashraf Mugume. Here comes Yasin. Na itompera muringwa. Narondoha. Gabasikona gufuna kurungi munoga bakubyayo Steven. Afuna is now Jafira Kakuru Salemba. Cause asakona kutimura mpira kula higuru kandi asakona kutomeramo Salemba Joseph once again afuna pass kula higuru ashaka kumugume mpira ashaka kumugume pass line fact ya barma vino shaba is now Salemba itompera muringwa pass finally pira gwagira kimuhaye neza ko rwego kujya district ya Rubirizi. And remember Ibanda bashambire mizano ikwingana 5 tubakatirwe tubakahangwire niyo biko dayibine tubakasingirwe tubakasingire. That is Ibanda eyankore cup edition age Dreko Seningwa sonompera ngurwe ku rujumno rwashaka Conrad abakatikisao kandi beza basanga Edson Kaheba pass line parampora Conrad nafuna mpira ku rujumno na taninga kurunji Conrad pass mpira kushanga Iran mpira nasimo mpira bali hansi refa najirangu sa free kick refa najirangu free kick Iran bamushambira kubi. Surprise team of the tournament Chiruhura Astin the driver seat goals zibiri Haris Emwe kuriya Harisanga bachebe biro mpira umwana wanje Hakim Nyanga ekindi kumanyesha heza hari mukama wenka Pere cross Ningwa chest control from Apollo Kagogo nasimo pira muringo rukurkayo Mushangoha Stephen na heading para Stephen pass kura hansi Ngizangu Shangoha is now Brian nasimo pira muringo Apollo Birizi Brian header from Apollo basi nikaliansi refa najirangu free kick Semanzi yashambira kubi omusigazi Apollo kandi refa najirangu free kick out. Hey, akajatsiro hazo mu semifinals virusi rya harinyowe kare Apollo Kagogo nasimo pira muringo kora hansi abantu bampara amasiko kagagira kucendera hano wanje Ian Kanzira nagira ata amasiko gatwa because twatandikana goals zibiri man minji konkato batebamo eshonga zibasa kurara zatambara kubi Here comes Salemba. Pasangana kuya kurunji munonga baguma numpira baguma for district ya Rubirizi. Baguma 1-2 baguma. Said kuriya district ya Rampara ni bara goals ibiri kandi tungamo cyargoremwe. Remember on aggregate district ya Ntungamo niba nerabaho konka kurigira rumyano wanje Ian Kanzira nagira ati it is still possible no bukinti niko kiri konka kibasika nano wanje Ian namasika go tindi kumanya ngo kurunje mnonga ukire kaka anyway natandika numpira kurunje mnonga biza kwa nutambura kandi gwashanga Conrad abadi district ya Rubirizi Conrad numpira mpora nakweleza nano wanje Edson Kaheba nasiba para baguma naja turu pasa Ningwa is now Robert Mukongota Robert kuri hansi Robert is now Rubirizi Robert numpira leta pasa para baguma nafuna mpira mspace baguma pass kuri hansi Robert pira gumisiga kuri mnonga Robert Mukongota basi ndikare naja kutukumira mutine chiro here comes Robert pass para baguma bateka kuri hansi Robert baguma jana mpira so baguma of course bateka hansi refa naja kutine chiro tukumiza mwanza kani kazi tira cross Ningwa kuza kwa Shangoha Semanzi numpira Semanzi for Iran numpira Iran for district ya Rubirizi Magic Man bamushidinga kurunji munonga bano pera guri heru. What a brilliant play from Lambert Magic Man Iran musinguzi yahitereza kwasika na shooting konka space referee agira ati tina kiro tukomezamo ngo kiri 0-0 right about now. Here comes Iran head control from Conrad Iran natuma pira miringo gwashanga Lambert yakuja Jonas Simwe. He has been silent mu kibuga cya kabiri. Jonas Simwe has been more silent mu kibuga cya kabiri, but at least a couple of touches right now kwasiko na Simka cross Ningwa matorika ho kandi akatebeka team ya district ya Rubirizi kandi pira kumza mu kwasiko gutambura Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Ekibuga nitikyamani munonga kurungi munonga mukire kaka ahari mukutugwita gwa YouTube ekibuga nitikyamani munonga kandi nano wajana jati nabasa Edison Rubirizi must win on home soil. Here is the corner. Umugogo Stenes my team ibanda reka turinde tushabe Ruth yagira turubirizi chu. Hey, that is my friends abari mukutugwita gwa YouTube. Enjoy the game. That is Najib Noah from ibanda Rwenko batore kosa ningo box kara skora heading gwargayo. Guchoma space mpora. Here comes Edson. Natumira mpora guchoma space kushanga Iran. Natumiraho is now Mafino shaba cross ningwa. Mitwe ndia mhachi Edson kaheba tempera mirango chiraka. Pira kutomera ni chiraka. Anyway, mugume kurasa ningwa tureba hano mistake mama nyabo Yasin batigari hanze refa nagira ngo enchi refa Mamala Evaristo Mukukwe make a decision right about now. Referee is yet to make a decision right about now. What could be his decision? Free kick. A yellow card for the goalkeeper. Yellow card for the goalkeeper. Yellow card for the goalkeeper. Mnyano anja kucheza kile kaka. This is Mukama Anthony. I saw a dog inside the stadium at Rampara before the game, so Ntungamo can't win this. Anyway. This is Jordan Muhinda na Jirat Konka Ibanda nimwenda kutukora kidara. Tichiriza Rosias Bibirizi versus Ibanda. Yes indeed. Hajat tu Bibirizi Ibanda emwe. That is his prediction. Then tusinguze tugumisirize Yasin Yajirati Yasin from Ibanda, student at Ibanda University. Ibanda win 2-0. Okay. Free kick for Ibanda. Mugume natakurasa ningo box hanu ya turebo chance Iran yasikona utapinga gwa Zahiru. This is Atire Dennis Yajirati ndiho webare kurungi munonga akanono Crispus Ibanda nekira Rubirizi emirundi 5. That is according to you. Well, this is Fiona Sasra. Kare Yajirati ariho kuri muri Ibanda. Nanda binji Byarhanga Vincent Ibanda na wariho kare. It's a corner. Atakurasa ningo box hanuya. Turaba tap wano. Pira kuri Mkatimba. Kakuru Javira. Kakuru experienced midfielders, of course, playing at the heart of Ibanda in the holding midfield. And of course, that is a hydration break right about now. As we know, Honorable Kakuru Javira, the goal scorer, shot number 40. He has scored that only one separating goal for Ibanda. By the way, historically, Ibanda buri bakurega omu group stages. On edition zone abargum group stages, they go ahead bahika semi-finals. That is what history defines. Somali ba Ibanda hargum group stages, you always expect to become semi-finals. Of course, Ibanda traveling fans, few traveling fans are now sharing this. This is Kamagara Julius. Ibanda must win in Jesus' name. This one says Elias Ainumugisha, and of course he says I'm from Bushenyi, Rubirizi 0, Ibanda 2. Ahaba Elias Najrati, Ibanda Ju, wabare kwasa kubona uruho. That is our yam kutugito kwa YouTube. A few traveling fans by district ya Ibanda bajirangu, wowe yayo, that is our moment. That is it for now. But of course, Kakuru Javira, 29-year-old midfielder for district ya Ibanda, is now making wonders into the second leg of quarterfinals. Mukobiri. Rubirizi still has time to control this. Rubirizi still has time to gain the good momentum, of course, keep this one alive. Nukokwe. Twateba Stadium Zazinde, of course, after that hydration break. Ibanda 1, Rubirizi 0, Chirura 2, Buhoju 1, Rampara 2, Ntungamo 1, Bushenyi 0, Mbarasite 0. That is as we speak right about now. Semanzi kicks it off for district ya Rubirizi. Koseninga kuna hansi baguma basikano guraba kandwajira cyamaheru. It's going to be a throw in for Ibanda. One moment and it wins it for Ibanda. That is one basigara bakontroliga game weji paka edakika 9. Tarakoseningwa mistake hanu ya mama nyabo. Sigazi Stephen yakora mu mistake haru mu defense ya district ya Rubirizi. And of course the goalkeeper was there to watch and reclaim all this. Mpira muringwa bakusemitwe tuza kwashanga Conrad Edson heading mpira muringwa, in fact ya Robert kumukongotya clear line James Nabasa na heading mpira muringwa bunonga kuza kwashangoha is now is msigazi Falcao no mpira Falcao against msigazi wake tanga Brian Norman kutabira mpira gulia here. Finally it's going to be a throw in for Ibanda. Harumsha ushambi wa timu katika mukwereka that big moment our district kandi ya abakutumira na kuruji mnonga line aho musikazi finally asakona imuka mpora sakona imuka kuruji mnonga nuko biri kuruji mnonga kandi Refinaje kona jangu tushambe kurunji mnonga turebe shoko ya sekondi zitambura. And Ambra. It is now Baguma pora kula higuru mpira mwinji kandi rwabagira kimaheru. Neza kuba iri goal kick. Neza kuba iri goal kick ya district ya Ibanda. And now Ibanda has to settle for less. They have to play a risky game. They have to settle for less and see if they can contain this. Nukokwe. Tujya kwa simu homo jana jabara mukire kaka. Amikutita tari mwenemwe abarya YouTube chimukwa nisi chaman munonga. Abari amikutukwito kwa X chimukwa nisi chaman munonga. Zose ningwa Edson. Tumera mpira muringwa Lambert no mpira mpora Is now Falcao. Crossing naronda Marvin. Final mpira kuja Heru. This one says Twine Amon Ibanda will win 2-0. That is I'm watching from Mogadishu heading from Ibanda municipality. Over mnyano wanja Twine Amon kuri muri Mogadishu kandi umunyibanda. This one is Nwagaba Rogers showing for Ibanda kare bari ku Mnonga. This one is Atine Godwin bari kwani Woroho. This one Muganga Rosias. Now we should use Mateka Elvis kare Katurinde. Reho Stephen Yajirati Maikakuru Javida at Ibanda Municipality Sports Club. That is way back in 2023. Yes, sikazuga n'inzara ya district ya Ibanda Kakuru Javida akashambira ho Ibanda Municipality. In fact, Ibanda Municipal Sports Club, that is way back in 2019 mpaka 2023. Mwaugwe Kakuru Javida Falcao na heading mpira muringo kwiza kwa Shangoha Steven atapiga mpira muringo na Iran mpira chase control from Iran na mpira muringo boxi no hard ho is now Selemba Joseph Dr. War James na heading mpira muringo heading mpira kan mpira kwiza kwa Shangoha Steven for district ya Rubirizi na atakwa Iran atapiga mpira muringo na Conrad head control is now James na Masa is now Edison mpira muringo kan kwa jira Chimaheru. This is Karo from district ya Rubirizi. Yataho mwanya gwa in fact he's called Juma Ali. Yataho mwanya gwa Baguma Ronald. Yes indeed, Sigazi Juma Ali yataho mwanya gwa Baguma Ronald. Here comes Falcao no mpira. Mare Federico Falcao former Kagamba Falcao. Here comes Selemba with the long ball searching for the one from John Vasco Mubao. Here comes Brian no mpira. Brian 1-2 through pass ni ngwana rondoha na ndo substitute na training attack for final mpira kala sikoni gudabaho gwade jira kibakandi gwashanga goalkeeper. Goalkeeper Stewart Matovu yabitamu imbera kandi ari mu intomene niyo kahanuya. The substitute baba sikoni argayi bamura msango hello. The substitute Juma Ali bamura msoka hello. The substitute Juma Ali bamura msoka hello. Bamjirangu welcome to the match. Hey. Ibanda ne baragore mu Rubirizi bakiri ari 0 byasagana ku kubiri. Ibanda will go straight into the semi-final and they will face a team between Chiruhura and Buheju. That means we are most likely to see teams that are groups ibiri zirga mkwebugana, and of course that will be Bushenyi versus Ntungamo. That is kibira sigari ku kubiri kuri muri Bushenyi main stadium. And Hanuya, if it stays like this, Ibanda will be heading to the semi-final. If it stays like this, it will still be Ibanda versus Chirugura. Aside area Bushenya sikone funa goal yo kubanza. That means in turn aggregate Bushenya isa goals eshatu, and that is enough for them okuzahari mu semi-final. Tataro kabuza kona. Definitely you cannot expect them dachika keza asigara dachika kama 12 kuri hari Bushenyi main stadium. Ngubara stene zafite ba goals ibira hari 0. But recovering that game into another stage. Dore umutwe biza kwa Shangoha. Here comes usigazi wake tanka. Here comes Ilan mpira. Ilan mpora. Side kula basikona bafuna equalizer. That means inti Bushenyi might face Ntungamo, Dan, Deal, and Hanuya. Rubirizi maybe. Turekoseningwa Steven. Naronda Edson. Basi nikampara kuchire mwanya. Gwiza kwa Shango Haramba. Timitwe. Para kuchire mwanya. Stewart na arika yukandi wasikona kwa takuri jimnonga. Naronda sigazi wetenka mugume pasa line. Naronda James. Naronda kwega sigazi wetenka Jonas Simwe pass kula line against Brian. Jonas Simwe kurampara pana Joana dribblinga ikita uzirikayo refana jamu tukumza mutine chiro para pasa line Brian for district ya Rubirizi ashara muntu kurungi munanga batiga dance refana ja free kick. It is a free kick for district kandi ya Rubirizi. Shirura goals zibiri muheju goals zibiri. Namara Evariste nasubira pira muringwa head control from Edson. Nakushanga ninga tagushanga vitavi vya sikona kushanga Terema Juma ari cross box hanu yakushango ha. Goalkeeper sikona kunyeza kurungi mnonga. Goalkeeper kunyeza kurungi mnonga. Goal scorer agahita mpira muringwa guri aheru neza ko Efronya district ya Rubirizi. Steven litaka mpira kurungi munonga line naronda baguma mpira kuri line mpira tappingamo gucira line bitare binasona gushanga kutamera menkito nzirgayo refana jangu harochi tirekero takuhinduka finally haba kushamsiti bakaneza ko free kick. Haba kushamsiti baneza ko free kick ya This will be the second loss against Rubirizi in the entire history of Ankole Cup at home if they lose this tonight. Aba team agaba nibagirango nshonga tuzine kurungi mnonga. That is district ya Uganda bagirango nshonga tuzine kurungi mnonga. Huna rebo Peter agaba ekyorka neti soman mno afshanga ku district ya Uganda bakonyimirizamu. In fact twewenka of course district chairman mwetenka happy abat nawe inshoga najirati ninungi munonga Tereko seningwa baguma is now Aporo Chiraka Fana jirangonchi mpira glumu space kuza kwa Shangoha Lambert numpira Lambert nasibona mpira muringwa kuza kwa Shanga Mayo kuza kwa Shanga Conrad numpira mpira Conrad Amayo through pass ningwa Ronda Edson numpira Edson through pass ningwa kudia Hansi tureba Semanzi yakumesinga hanu mpira Juma Alan is now Mama Njabo is now this Rubirizi kuza kwa Shangoha Ashraf mpira nakufuna mpira Iran na mpira kurungi mnonga Iran Mama Njabo mpira kumesinga Iran nachikuine mpira kurungi mnonga Iran msinguzi Iran mpira Iran msinguzi Iran alaini mpira kudahero throw in for Ibanda timu ya Panado mbajirango wabahiriza Panado kurungi mnonga huna rebo John Paul Rubirizi na kusoni ngatagusiwa Jonas Simwe yakondeleka kurungi mnonga line Jonas Simwe John back pass Norman Yamhachi nasema mpira muringwa na Rondoha is now sikazo katanka mkongoti ya pass barapora kuza kwa Shanga msikazo katanka Amayo is now clearance from the goal scorer Chavira yatumera Kakuru is now district ya Rubirizi finally honorable governor taha mushakezi in fact honorable Panado yajirati Najekaji chiro kuyahura ngo Ibanda yatewa yiza bikatugumizamu is now Conrad was once again Conrad parapora Seremba asmuna pira muringwa is now Namara Evaristo pass kura Hansi goal kipa 6 o'clock na ita pass kura Hansi Honore Panado yajirati nabahereza ka Panado bamira amani bine minji kandi yishonga bakibebe mbiro mpirogo Oshaba. Marvin Oshaba gets yellow card, of course. Yellow card zagera kwani zirigaye kuri Munonga. Marvin Oshaba yasikona itungira kadi ya Chenju. Trompion gumza kwani kutambara. Rose Ningwa. Kuza gwashanga chest control. Of course they claim Majirangu benda free kick, benda penalty, but referee ajirangu hapana. Here comes Seremba Joseph ya controlling Afuru Munonga. Is now Ashraf Mugume. Fira Muringo. Naronda Marvin Oshaba tia gufuna. Uza kwa Shangoha. Elson Kahebwa. Bagiba Ashraf Mugume. Is now Seremba Joseph. Seremba back passer. Mayo. Maina from Pira Munonga. Brian na Setlas from Pira Muringo. Uza kwa Shangoha. Sila zoga taka Conrad head control from Mugume. Mama Nyabo goalkeeper scored. Line Stewart. Mpira wineza kuri Munonga. Mama Nyabo. Nuko kuri Munonga ibibazo byo zitambura. Sides ziriya Kiruhura goals zibiri, Buhweje goals zibiri, Bushenyi goal imwe kandi district ya Mbara City bakirya hari 0. Ntungamo na Rampara ndi bara goals zibiri hari imwe, hari izicuke cya kabiri kandi hano yo gukira goal imwe ya district ya Ibanda courtesy of Javida Kakuru mudakika nkagano mushanju. With that one sole goal that is still leading, and of course creating that moment for Ibanda to head into the semi-final, their third semi-final, and of course the first in the last 2 editions. Remember in the last edition Ibanda bakasigara group stage, but of course mukura nagambiriho before this game, Ibanda once they get out of group stages they always go into the semi-final. That is, yes indeed, history on history. Ngu excellent in this. Of course, tureba ho mushanwa district ya Ibanda naje ko nafuna objanjabi. Of course, Sigazi Brian nagura kuri hansi nagushanga gatagushana kuri Munonga basika defend nagirango tine kiriho throw in. It's going to be a throw in. Our district kandi ya Rubirizi naze ko nanyiganyire turena basikorgamo eshagama Rubirizi natavuka mpira muringo box. Tureba header from Salemba. Refa nagirango tine kiro has now Iran natavuka mpira muringo header from Sigazi wakata Kalambat. Yago headinga kandi basikona kurwe kuri Munonga kwiza gwa basikona kuza throw in. Naze ko throw in ya district kandi ya Rubirizi once again. Throw in for Rubirizi once again. Rubirizi with another throw. Omusikazi wakatanka Johnson aza kunatandika mpira kuri Munonga. Johnson tandika mpira muringo boxi. Goalkeeper Stewart nagumisinga gwiza gwashanga Falcao natafika mpira kurunja line. Falcao ayebare Federico mpira muringo. Goalkeeper tunawasha 2-5. Sigazi na Mara Edward. Of course pressure from is now Afro Mugume. Trupa Mama Nyabo offside. Mama Nyabo. Seremba Joseph was offside, of course. Goalkeeper yakora mistake. Hanu ya but Seremba yabari offside kaneza kwa free ya district ya Rubirizi. Hey. Mpira, the pressure is mounting. We still have 4 minutes to pray. In fact, dakika ziri kwingana 3 n'ubutikitiki 2 na 4 na 3 na 2 and count them down to 20 minutes dakika 9. Rubirizi fighting to get back into this game. Tukose ningwa biza kwa Shangoha. Now umsikazi wa Gatanka Ali Juma goalkeeper Argaline for the Asana kwanza kurunji mnonga. Stuart Matovu mpira kunyeza kurunji mnonga. Remember he has 8 seconds kwa sana tandika kurunji mnonga kutandika kurunji mnonga kuya Hansi ya Mhachi Norman through deflection Juma Ari baba sana tafinga mpira kujira higuru biza kwa Shangoha Falcao Aibare Federico Falcao parampora from Mbara kwegamba from Ibanda Misfata prayer. It's now Seleba Joseph Nick prayer from Machkez striker. Here comes Seleba Joseph midfielder. Three cross and Ingo Boxy is now goalkeeper. Mamwetenka Evaristo. Biza kwa Shanga Brian mpira muringo na rondoha. Pira final guria hero. Throw in for Ibanda. The team that is searching is already under pressure. Team Rubirizi that is still fighting to get back into this game are still under pressure. Panado Najat na Panado Kumara. Honorable John Paul Panado Najat na Panado Kumara, that is MP Kugakuru muri Ibanda. Kare tire cross ningwa. Wa sekonda tambera mpora Jonas Simwe. Tia kufuna kurunji mnonga. Remember Jonas Simwe has had second half. Jonas Simwe is too silent. Muchoka cha kabiri kandi tukamurebe, we've not seen him harukurebi arukora nkatosha, but of course being silenced by the throw in for Rubirizi. We are into the second last minute of the game. Throw in for Rubirizi. But of course Ibanda mwajiza kuwa warika indiscipline hali ya laini. Baza kushukua mpira basi kuna watambiko mpira kutamu mshai kandi eventually cannot start a game. Tuine mpira bila mshai. Here comes Stephen for district ya Rubirizi. Pia wasikona kunaka kurunji mnonga Falcao. Ya kuja Javira de goal square Javira. Pass kula line. Na rondoha. Seremba Joseph. Pira cross ningo kwa sanga Javira de goal square. Pira gunaga kwa sanga Stephen na tumuro mpira muringo mnonga. Kuza ngurondoha msikazo wa tanka Juma Ari tia kufuna kurunji mnonga. Basi mwere James Guargayo. Here comes Amayo. Header control from Semanzi. Header. Here comes msikazo Juma Ari. Header. Here comes Baguma. In the box of course Stewart. Case of the line of course serves it. Matovu Stewart gets off the line and serves it. Natapika mpira muringo na ronda Iran ya usikona kuhediga kwiza kwa Shango msikazi wa Edson Kaheba. Mutahi kurunji mnonga kwiza kwa Shanga Iran na hediga mpira line na rondoha Mateka wasikona kuhediga kurunji mnonga. Here comes Juma Ari. Mateka boxy. Yes, now comes Falcao. Ya tasa kurunji mnonga. Mateka kwiza kwa Shanga Iran. Mpira muringo. Mama nyama mpira guya hero. What a big moment. Mama nyama. What a big Korika build up play from Iran, Semanzi and Mateka. Look okay. Another big opportunity has gone. Bakorika goalkeeper wa district kandi ya Ibanda Mwetenka Stewart. Look okay, goalkeeper wa district ya Ibanda Mwetenka Stewart. Dakika 9 za skoni zivayo kandi referee ajirango nchi. Referee anjira dakika zikwingana kandi 3. Referee yasikona anjira dakika zikwingana 3. If it stays like this, Ibanda will be heading to their third semi-final after losing out last edition of Kasagaram group stages. History will repeat itself. Group stages wakumzamba wasikari come semi-final, but of course here comes Mateka. Mama Nyamo goes wide. Mama Nyamo. What a big moment for Rubirizi. Rubirizi cannot believe this. Here comes that golden opportunity from Mateka. The header was so close, but at the end, it has nothing to do with all this. That big chance from district here, Rubirizi. And of course, the game resumes right about now. Is a throw in your district here, Rubirizi. Ibanda ready to celebrate their win, their victory. The first loss for Rubirizi at home in the last 3 years. Shona ningwa natamko mpira muringo boxi. No hapo mitoa wasikona tumera ukana mpira kulia neza kwera kona. It is a corner for District kandi ya Rubirizi. This looks to be the final chance ya District kandi ya Rubirizi. Musikazi Edison Kahebwa. Edison Kahebwa, team captain for Rubirizi, is going to take it. Nata crossing in box Hanuya. Goalkeeper Stewart yakwata kurungi munonga. Goalkeeper Stewart yakwata kurungi munonga. Goalkeeper Stewart Matovu yakwata kurungi munonga. Nata kompera kurungi munonga kuri hansi. Biza gwashanga musigazo ketanka John Hasibo John controlling the game. Edson Kahebwa pass Semanzi Amayo pass kuri hansi. Nazir bakutomero kandi musigazi James na basa fasona kutomera kurungi munonga gwagira kimwe kandi aho throw in ya Rubirizi bakutanga kurungi munonga kwiza gwashangoha Amayo yakufuna mateka District ya Rubirizi mateka naribo mpira kwiza gwashanga Edison Kahebwa pass kuri hansi is now District ya Rubirizi with the control. James here comes musigazo gatanga Najib kuri hansi basikora tapping gwagira kimwe throw in for Rubirizi once again. Throw in for Rubirizi. Full time Chiruhura 2, Ruheju 2, penalties up next. Turekroseringwa Falcao. Sigazi baguma kandi ashamba kubi into the final minute of the game. We have a seconds mwenda, munana, mushanju, itano, ina. Haidachikisha tezbanjira mukandi za seconds wa kurungi munonga. Referee anytime from now. Nazakona gubiyaho Ibanda with a free kick. Kuria Chiruhura 2. Rubirizi Ruheju 2. Penalties up next. The savior will be the goalkeepers. Another chance for District ya Rubirizi. Crossing wa country basikona jiboka kurungi munonga kwiza gwashangoha. Musigazi Lambert. Liga pasa line. Pura guria heru. Wefana jirangu tukumiza mutina chiro kandi basikona gumizamu. Is now Rubirizi. Talk is going to be a throw in. Throw in for Rubirizi. Mnyano waja kuchiza kire nkaka. One last chance for Rubirizi. Header. Mboxi Jonas Simwe. Kills it away. And of course another chance. Here comes Falcao. Chikumirangai. Would this one be the moment? Of course, denied by Mateka. Goalkeeper Evaristo na Simapira Muringwa ituruka mbere cy'ingisho za hore fena jya kona reba kashana jya tumwene katurebe fira hanuya kurasa ningwa Musa Ali header from Samanzi Porampora kuza gwashangoha Sereba Joseph mpira Muringwa trying to at least to buy this one out. Crossing kuri hansi bakubera fira District ya Rubirizi. Fira District ya Rubirizi bataka kurungi munonga kuza gwashangoha Johnson asimura mpira Muringwa na rondoha is now Jafira with the header. Jafira in the box save. Of course Ashraf Aidan bahediga Patika chiriho refana jirangu nenchi ajangu free kick for Rubirizi. One last chance Guchiri Goremo ya Ibanda 0 District ya Rubirizi. One last chance. Last mpira Muringwa boxi. Noharo Edison Kahebwa header. It's a corner. It is a corner. Another opportunity for District kandi ya Rubirizi. Another one opportunity to try this out. Mateka with a corner kick for District ya Rubirizi. Could this one be the moment for them to equalize this? Let us wait and see. Mateka with one last golden opportunity for Rubirizi. The goalkeeper gets off his line. He's in for Rubirizi. Goalkeeper Namara Evaristo. Let the cross and box Mateka. Edison is going to hit another corner. It's a goal kick. And now it's a goal kick. Rubirizi babasa kubana testing arosi yabo ya kabiri mumbya for Byankore Cup. And of course eyo kubanza umuchikopa cha Kore Cup final. We're waiting for that last whistle. Nyamhachi James nasipana mpira Muringwa na Chiwanti. That is it for now. Rubirizi cannot believe this. Ibanda, 1 goal from Javira Kakuru. Omdechika ya Kagana Mshanju has completely won it for this. Ibanda set piece FC for this edition. They get their first goal away from home and it defines everything. Rubirizi are going home right about now. Pira kwa Gurumuruji Kunji Mnonga kandi as expected, Ibanda, as history defines, they are into the semi-final. They are third in history, and of course they are first in the last 2 years. After missing out from group stages last edition, and now Ibanda are into the semi-final. Last game they missed their captain Marvin Oshaba, and now they are back into the semi-final as we expected at full time. Of course, that is it for now. Ibanda with few traveling supporters. Celebrating and of course elsewhere Chiruhura are into the into the penalties. Gambira Chiruhura the penalties ibira hadiyemwe actually wasikana bagita kandi Buhweju ba missing the penalties. Buhweju ba missing a penalty emwe. Chiruhura onto their third penalty. Hey. Chiruhura are going to take their third penalty. Full time here, Rubirizi. Mazakusubira kwa basikano bakane betereza okwiza omedition erikwiza. Ibanda has won it all. Only 1 goal from Javira Kakuru, 29-year-old Ibanda Municipal Sports Club player. Kandi askona tera gore munya munekere. Ekone hangura Ibanda ompira habujenye hanu yari Nyakasharu. We are still on and celebrations are going on. Aside ya Chiruhura. Bine Buhweju. And of course, that is it for now. Zakwant for now kandi. Bamwe hariya bo kutugambiraho apiro gwasiko n'ubutambura. Zakwant for now kandi team captain wa district ya Ibanda after missing out them, he's here. Yes, Marvin Oshaba, the captain wa Ibanda, of course traveling from Ibanda mkiza hanuya Eshonga wazireba kandi mabasikano musha mpira Rubirizi yaje kwa nebanyiga from all the angles, but at the end of it mabasikano mija as a better team and you're heading to the semi-final. Semi-final eji and mwisha mkwasano musha after missing out last edition mabasikano musigara mu group stages last game turagishambire. How was the game generally? Iwenka nkomushambi
game yetarimbi abagize bona bibanda biza batushendekerize wiza game eji nimbebaza munonga uko kumanya urugendo kurugiba Rubirizi umuhanda gwa gutanguhi gwa gurume byina konka twiza twina plan yitu twaje executinga twarebuka ngo tuza game kandi cyo twakora ngeje game finals ngenda kwamiza abanyibanda bona muntu kwikana finals kandi chiko point 9
game eji yabermu moments esto tugiranguza zitari nyingi because twareba chances nyingi kureka Ibanda you've capitalized a chance muhimu abasikana mutunga on target tugirangu nico cy'umasa mu semi-finals.
Ejo niyo difference between Ibanda na Rubirizi. Ititwe nka Ibanda we have very good quality players abakubasa capitalizing on every one moment that we had in a game. Nenda kwebaza Kakura ya tutebera goleji kandi ntuzagaruka yo twetereze to making sure ngo twagaruka semi-finals ntukuba twine amane menji kutwazanira izo.
One last question. Last game okamisinga due to red card batunjira mpira gwa kazo. And now wiza watira moment nunji keeping defenders bona bari active keeping aba defenders bari mu space kugira ngo tubakora that attack munonga defense yanyu because mwa keeping bari busy. Tugire ngo semi-final will you build on that note?
Of course nka team uko kutwara bako za next level nduku building on from the results we have been getting from the past turebe shobeze tubentukora tongereho tuzi correcting then ebitubentukora je tubyongere tu perfecting ku making sure ngo semi finals twaga katwasingo mpiro gundi tukuza finals.
All right, tine another semi final legend misho another quarter final between district ya Buhweju na district ya Kiruhura guriyo penalty nasiga Kiruhura ekigobe mbire goals 3 ahari 2 but of course the quarter final results that is at the end umureba bintu itaguha kuvuga no semi finals
anyone we are ready.
All right, finally that is Mnyanwitu Marvin Oshaba kandi asikona tugambira arode kwasikona funa no reason wogwe. Besides me tune muhonorable John Paul kan Panado yagira ati Panado nazibaha nyingi bazimira kandi bagira amana mingi munonga kandi abantu bari mu semi finals. Honorable district ya Ibanda mwabase mutakugaruka mu semi finals banyuma ko missing last edition mukamisinga mu semi finals reda mukamisinga group stages mwabase ko musigarokwe but now you are into the semi final eshongeze mwazibasa muta.
No wareba season ya hwire Ibanda ikahika aha finals na Rubirizi 2024 mwen hati 2026 nabwo cyakikire Ibanda kugaruka ikagaruka n'amani mingi itwe nkabebembezi bibanda tutire mamani mingi abazani bitu abahereza ebukwetagisibwa baza training kumara twabahereza sente zikwetaga twabashashura mwene babire bari well facilitated kana n'ikindi nyono mande Panado nibembo wa parliament ko kandi Panado so na Panado tubahire bamerana za aspirin biza batine bushashubona barede kusinga mpiro.
All right, mwashashura district ya Rubirizi because enkubira bernena ekabiha ikikopo mu finals anda mwagishashura mwasikana muzo semi finals buryo mwehiraho. Now semi finals tuze expecting amuki mose byose ari kurwo mu leaders a district ya Ibanda.
No itito butwagarika Ibanda nyoni impamiza buryo mwakureba TVG buryo mwahurikirize ito twaza kushitama nkabebembezi bibanda twarundana sente ezikwetagwa twaganira n'abazani bitu twa preparinga team kureba ngo tuzo mu semi finals ntuzakwa agakukira gutube twine nyuma then tugende tuzo mu finals na nechikopo sigara bare kore region ni mbasima bwo kwagire mpira abebembezi abantu ba burijo ni diretarata yemyeto yitu kwagire rukunde gumo Kere twantuzo musekere mu semi finals byona bigenda rokaviyo finals rukundo egumeho na nenkwataniza yankore region.
All right, go yari honorable John Paul kandi binjo turumanya nka Panado bitu nza kuba tufuna man of the kandi abayuvi tabe shongaze bazitiremo man mingi munonga and definitely is not the other and of course the only difference wasikona tebera goro yitu kandi mwamija vira kakuru definitely yasikona tebera nza kuba tufuna habwa mbabice kurga youth tab nabanyuma tugumiza munandi man of the match mabazi yogu sebo let me take this side okay yes inshonga za man of the match aba youth tab
nyina kubanza no kutsima abantu ubanazi committee ya Nkore Cup na sponsors bona bataye West Wonders n'abandi tugito mu youth tab tusima mura kuranga twakwataraho no tukurabira Nkore Cup kuranga twageza kutongoza okugeza kutumbura emyoga y'abinyeto okwabiro omupira boyizo batwanture bayibande kuzanana na timu ya Rubirizi katware abana bakweka talent zamani bado gashtongo geza kuhagera emyeto n'abanyarwanda nabo n'abariboko kurango bagezaho government ya Uganda tiriho amana minjo emyeto kurango tingashtongo bageze kurango abanyarwanda bona abinemyoga ombyo kutera mpira nimuzane ndijo twakwasama baraha agakwa kakasa okugubwabo kurango basa kwongera kuzana mu Uganda no kuzana no musizinde za hero akwanta mangu ekintu cyemyeto twasize namani giza kuyamba pretemer mu myingi kandi kurango abazana bito mu Uganda batunga emyoga yawe yakakasabwa kandi basa kuzana umuhangeri n'amahanga ganda gahero.
Okay, mwebare kutera makasente. Man of the match Kakuru Javira of course niwe asikona hebwa kandi kirabeki niwe atebagore munya muregere yasikona letera ka district ya Ibanda kuzo mu semi final iwe futebagore ejo technique wakorese hakano ihuru atagwanywe futebagore je abasikona itwara Ibanda mu semi finals
weba funga aba tayari TV amazi kuba Javira nyina mashemerwa minji munonga okurge nyuma babemba jarangu Ibanda te kudatera rage mu kibinja Ibanda te koraje ngute kute naza izeri na abantu basa kuteba konka the fact that ekibinje kitube turum all the teams were good nicho mox kangane mugwa konka izobere Ibanda yabore kangu ne timu nungi
all right Ibanda neza kwata Kiruhura omu semi final that is next week because Kiruhura yasakwane hangura omu penalty bakutera Buhweju kandi hari umusuma penalty ina arishatu wasakande gukwa kandi next week twine kushamba district ya Kiruhura ahari Bushenyi Main Stadium. How are you going to prepare for semi-final?
Obviously Kiruhura tubetu ninjera buryo tona twemanya and we are ready to face one another. Tene challenge ibara steko kurujira manu gutwizana go hati. We are very much ready to face Kiruhura.
Okay, that is the Kakuru Javira kandi man of the match mwabazi uko guba ariko notambara ito program kandi KG. Ankore cup edition legumizamu kandi semi-final zero next week. Takwa tureba kandi azikuza hari ya Bushenyi Main Stadium, of course nzakubera Bushenyi versus Ntungamo, then Kiruhura versus district ya Ibanda kandi abahangura muzano gwizoberi hanu ya hari Nyakasharu. Of course rero yageze nasoko ni kwendeza kuri mu Rubirizi, rega masiko ni kwendeza program zikura tamisha ho nunji, kwereza mabazi murunji na no kusigara tayari West. Of course program zigumizamu otarigaho ninye nasoko ni kuri zo program eji.